And now another cross-country storm is on the move. It's forecasted to bring snow to the Rockies and potential tornadoes to the Gulf states. Tomorrow and Friday, that system expected to move further east, bringing warmer temperatures and heavy rain to the East Coast. And I believe we'll see some of that rain as it moves through Arkansas and Oklahoma.
And we'll get to meteorologist Robert Suhr tracking this on the radar for us. Robert.
That's correct. Man, I miss lake effect snow.
I just hear you getting excited when that snow was coming down.
Soon enough. One of these days we'll get back into the lake effect snow. But we've got rain on the way as we get into our Thursday. Live look outside to Rogers right now. You can see rush hour fully underway across northwest Arkansas. A busy ride on I-49. There's a look at Springdale, the sun dipping below the horizon. Another sunset, another gorgeous sunset on this Wednesday evening. We've got temperatures across the board here right around 55 or 56 degrees, which is warmer than the last couple of days. Take you outside to the River Valley, a little bit more in the way of clouds sliding through the Fort Smith area, but temperatures a few 60s still hanging on. Fort Smith is at 60, as is Pecola and Hackett, Pecoshi, but everybody, this is the warmest day of the week, and we're going to start to cool down after that. Right now, nationally, things are quiet. Still have some lake effect snow off of Lakes Ontario and Erie, but for the most part, things are quiet. But notice this increasing cloud cover, this fetch of moisture coming out of Mexico. That is what's going to start to spawn showers probably in the next 12 hours or so in our area. We go through the rest of the night tonight, really nothing to worry about, increasing cloudiness, but by tomorrow morning, we start to see the first signs of some of those sprinkles, and then this will increase quickly in coverage and intensity as we go through the day. A wet lunch hour with periods of rain, maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder. This lasts all afternoon into tomorrow evening, but it is a pretty quick mover, so by late tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night, it's basically out of here. So by the time we wake up Friday morning, yeah, we've got the lingering clouds, and it's chilly and breezy, but the rainfall is pretty much done, which will be good news. There is a very slight chance for a severe storm tomorrow. Only southwest Lafleur County might pose a wind or small hail threat if it even materializes. The biggest severe threat will stay to our west and our south, and quite a bit of rain could fall. This is just over one day tomorrow. We're talking about 3/4 of an inch to maybe an inch and a half to maybe in some isolated spots 2 inches, which is why we are concerned about excessive rainfall. Marginal risk for our area. This is rainfall that's heavy enough to result in flash flooding. I would expect some high water in the parts of your neighborhood that typically see high water. So keep that in mind for your neighborhood or street. Warmer tonight into the 40s, which has been warmer than the past couple of nights, but temperatures struggle to go anywhere tomorrow because of all that rainfall, only lower 50s. You're going to have to pull the jacket back out, unfortunately. And you can see impact day for tomorrow. Yeah, 100% chance of windy and rainy conditions throughout the day tomorrow and into tomorrow night. Friday, just residual clouds for our toy drive, so make sure you still come out and support a good cause. But the weekend looks good into next week. Also looks good with temperatures back on the rebound. Same thing in the River Valley. A wet Thursday and Thursday night. You can see there a couple of thunderstorms certainly possible in the River Valley. And then after that, not too bad. Lots of sunshine from Saturday on through the middle part of next week. Stay with us. We're going to have more 4029 news at 5 o'clock right after we check these messages.